So today I'm going to make some stir-fry vegetables with a little bit of artesian sausage, but it's the tofurkey kind. No meat in this house, okay? So I'm gonna chop up these sausage links, and I'm going to place them with some peppers and onions and sweet potatoes to give it that sweet flavor, along with kale. So I'm going to saute all this in some oil, my special seasonings. So stay tuned for the final product. And when the stove becomes very hot, that's when I'm going to drop in my peppers, my onions. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the sweet potatoes to it as well. What type of seasonings do you use to make your food taste so flavorful? So I'm going to share a couple of things that I use. I love smoked paprika, garlic salt, turmeric. You can never go wrong with turmeric. And of course, this seasoning as well, this Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. And of course, you just eyeball it, in terms of whatever you like to your taste. A little goes a long way in your veggies. You should add turmeric to pretty much all of your meals. And once these have cooked down, I'm going to add the sausage links and the kale. We'll add the kale last because it's just going to stir fry anyway, and you can actually cook while it's kind of soft. You don't want to cook it to where it's too hard, but you want to get a nice little crunch to it, to your kale. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped up sausage pieces. And my kale. Hell yeah. A whole batch of greens. Can't wait. And then this is going to cook down and we'll be good to go. This is yummy for your tummy. Look at all that steam coming up. All that goodness. Let me show y'all what I got. Look at that. This is going to be good. Whoops. And you know what, guys? You want to cook the rainbow. Look at all that. You got some greenery in there. You got yellow, orange, red. Yes, the darker the food, the better it is for you. Let's get a close-up shot.